How to find trending songs on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find trending songs on Instagram so you can use them for your reels and stories. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Launch Instagram on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on search icon to open the search engine. Search the song that you think is trendy. Here, go to the audio section. A list of audio songs will appear. Pick and select any song from the list. If an arrow appears below the song, it means that the song it is trending currently. If you want to add song to your reels, then tap on Use Audio. That's how you can easily find trending songs on Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.